most of the traders in the community are marking FVGs wrong, okay? But this stops with this video, right? Pay attention till the end, and you will thank me later, okay? So before I start with the video, okay, so I want to guys tell you about the Bullnox 89% that is now back on, right? So code Diogenes, and you will find the link in the first pinned comment. The 50K accounts are only $90, and it is lifetime, okay? So every month you pay only 90 bucks. So for a price of a pizza, you test yourself, and if you are ready, then you can go and buy more expensive accounts, okay? So let's go back to the FVG ideas, okay? So most of the traders, right, are marking the FVGs wrong, okay? So let's talk about this first presented FVG that happened yesterday, okay? Just after market open, okay? So this is 934, and this is now the first presented FVG of the day, okay? So this first presented took out London highs, all right? So the red line is London highs, okay? So if price wanted or was to be bullish, this gap is pretty important because it took a session high, okay, right? So this is the only time where I take a close under this FVG as a market structure shift, okay? So this is an IFVG, okay? All right, but this is not an IFVG, okay? This is wrong. Why? Because the FVG is actually wrong, right? Why? Because if we go and zoom in, right? So most of the traders will take this as an IFVG, as a close under the FVG, all right? But this is wrong, and I'll tell you why. So if you zoom in, okay, you will see a volume imbalance with the candle that made it, okay? So the FVG is this, right? And then this is the candle that closes under the FVG, right? So this is pretty important, right? So whenever you see an FVG, try to see if there is a volume imbalance. If there is a volume imbalance, that is also part of the FVG, okay? Now, let's go back. So we trade in our 945 to 1020 micro, okay? Right? But most of the best trades happen between 945 and just 10, okay? Or 1010 max, right? So 1044 inverse that FVG, okay? 1045 creates a new fair value gap, all right? But hear me out. Now, people say this is the fair value gap, okay? But it's wrong. Why? Again, there is a volume imbalance in this candle. So the fair value gap is this. And look how price reacted to it, to the tick, okay? Now, this is setup number one. Setup number one for yesterday, 2026 FVG model, okay? So this was the first short, okay? You're short in, you enter at this fair value gap. I saw Drago, saw that trade in the Discord, right? GG's. So price closes under this candle, okay? So this is likely turn into a bearish order block, okay? So you can sell sometimes at this, right? Anyway, so second setup, and here is where it got tricky yesterday, okay? So I was saying to Error to sell this candle, but he didn't, saying that it didn't touch the FVG, okay? So I made this video, right, just to stop this. Why? There is a volume imbalance in here, okay? So price actually touched the FVG with this candle, okay? So that was our second trade for yesterday's macro, right? We had some targets yesterday, so it was beautiful, right? So this was the total target. Whenever price took this low, you needed to know that price could have reversed or accumulated, right? So sometimes you take enough, right? So there was another trade in here. Let's go and see it, right? So price again, just think to this FVG and give a trade, okay? Now, this is for the first macro, and what happened in the second macro, right? We had some kind of SMT, if I remember wrong, with these lows here, right? And then MSS happened, or we close above a high, right? Now, again, I made this video specifically to Error because he did this thing a lot yesterday. I was telling him to long here as well. So you were waiting for the fair value gap tag here, okay? So this is the second macro, right? Wait, let me show you. Look at these macros, man. How are they crazy, right? So if you missed this trade, it was because the fair value gap was all of this, okay? Now, this was the trade, and look how much points it gave. This was a second trade. Again, Error was hesitating, right? This was another trade, right? We took this high. Previous PXH high, so we needed to respect it, right? And then we kept accumulating because we created some kind of SMT here and a large 15-minute gap in here, okay? But this was actually really a good session yesterday, although price was all over the price. But when I came back and look at this, it looked like a really good session, okay? So I want to keep this video short, okay? So I don't want this video to be long, right? I want to thank you all for using the codes, right? So you will always find the current updated promotions in the Linktree link, okay? I keep it active. I'm active in it, so you will find always the last deals, right? And I want to thank you guys for using the codes, and just so you know, every money I make from it goes to the homeless, okay? So again, thank you guys for tuning in again, and I'll see you in the next video. And hopefully I am gonna keep the momentum of releasing videos going, okay? See you guys later.